it's Kathy Bates with Practical Solutions, and today's assignment is organizing your bedroom. What you want to do first is start by simplifying the space. Our bedrooms tend to accumulate a lot of stuff that we don't know what to do with because people don't come in our bedrooms and we can hide it there. So there may be boxes on the floor, bags of stuff that you need to go through. You also want to go through your dressers and your closets and get rid of anything you don't need. A lot of times I find that I open up a dresser drawer and there are picture frames or something that shouldn't be using that pretty prime space in our house. So clear it of all those things. Then you can get to the clothes hanging over the chair or the treadmill and fold those up, hang them, put them away. We're going to talk about organizing your closet. Organizing your closet, the first thing you want to do is simplify by getting rid of anything you don't need. They say you only wear about 20% of what's in your closet. So go through systematically and pull down anything you don't want, put it in your donation bag and take it to charity. Do the same with your shoes or anything else in your closet. There may be some things that you are not sure about. And one way to handle those is you don't really have a whole lot of time to try everything on. So take that hanger that normally hangs like this, turn it and hang it like this. And next time you go to get dressed, try to wear some of these things, see if you like them, try them on. If you don't, put them in the donation bag. If you do, simply turn the hanger around and you know that that's a keeper. And what you want to do is make sure you have space for everything. Now those things that were hanging on the chair, you might have space to hang. Get everything organized. I do use some containers for things like shoes. You might like that. Sweaters, purses to keep them from getting dusty when they're not being used. But that is organizing your closet, and I hope today's video was helpful. Make sure you post those before and after pictures in the comments below on Facebook, or you can email them to us at info@psorganizing.com, and we'll be glad to post them for you. Remember, everyone that posts gets a 5th hour free when you book a 4-hour organizing session with one of our organizers at our promotional price of $300. You'll also be entered into the grand prize contest for a free 4-hour organizing session. If you need any help and get overwhelmed during this process, make sure you give us a call. We offer a free organizing needs analysis where we talk about your specific organizing needs and how one of our organizers can help you. We look forward to seeing your progress.